Hello friends, welcome to Money Ki Baat Alpa ke Saath. Let us understand today about arbitrage funds. Learn every day, especially from the experiences of the others. It's cheaper. The word arbitrage generally refers taking a chance. Similarly, an arbitrage fund takes advantage of changing prices of securities to buy and sell simultaneously, but with calculative moves. So, what is arbitrage funds? Arbitrage funds work on the price difference of equity shares in the spot and future market. The fund manager simultaneously buys shares in the cash market and sells it in future or derivatives markets. The difference in the cost, price, and the selling price is the return what you earn. So how does arbitrage fund works? Suppose the equity share of the company ABC in the cash market is traded at rupees 1220 and in the future market it is traded at 1235. The fund manager buys ABC company share from cash market at rupees 1220 and then sorts a future contract to sell the shares at 1235 and generates a risk-free profit of rupees 15 per share. Let us understand this one more example. Well, in another scenario, the fund manager may purchase an equity share of rupees 100 in National Stock Exchange and then he sells the same share which he bought at 100 rupees at 110 rupees in Bombay Stock Exchange. So this is how he is generating risk-free return of 10 rupees per share. What if there are no arbitrage opportunity available? The fund manager will ensure that the investments are made only in high credit quality debt securities. This helps to keep the fund manager returns in line with expectations during the period of inadequate arbitrage opportunities. Who should invest in arbitrage funds? Arbitrage funds are a safe option for risk-averse individuals to safely park their surplus money when there is a persistent fluctuation in the market. Things to consider before investing in arbitrage fund. First, risk factor. Though the investment journey seems to be smooth, do not get too much comfortable with these funds. If the number of investors increases between cash and future market, prices will erode, leaving little for the arbitrage focused opportunities for the investors. Well, second thing which you should consider while investing in arbitrage fund is return. Historically, arbitrage funds are known to offer returns in the range of 7 to 8% over 5 years' time. No guaranteed returns, but reasonably good returns are available in this particular fund. Third, cost of investment. These funds charge an annual fee called expense ratio, a percentage of the fund's overall assets. Due to frequent trading, arbitrage funds would incur substantial transaction costs and a high turnover ratio. Fourth, investment horizon. For those investors who have short to medium term horizon of 3 to 5 years, arbitrage funds are quite suitable. A lump sum investment would be a better option or it will make more sense over systematic investment plan. Fifth, financial goals. If you have short to medium term financial goal, then arbitrage funds are absolutely appropriate. However, you cannot expect to earn double-digit returns in arbitrage funds. Sixth, tax on gains. Arbitrage funds are treated as equity funds for taxation. Instead of sticking to pure debt funds, it gives you much more efficiency on tax because they are treated as equity and it is more tax efficient.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with all your friends and family